Did you know the most confident person in any room is usually the worst at what they're talking about? This is called the Dunning-Kruger effect. Here's how it works. When someone is really bad at something, they can't tell how bad they are. It's like a double curse. First, they perform terribly. Second, they don't even know they're performing terribly. Think about it. A terrible driver thinks they're amazing behind the wheel. Someone who's awful at dating gives relationship advice to everyone. The worst employee at work thinks they deserve a promotion. This happens because being good at something requires the same skills needed to judge how good you are. If you don't have those skills, you can't see your mistakes. There are 4 stages everyone goes through. First, you don't know what you don't know, so you feel super confident. Then you learn a little and realize how much you suck. Next, you get better but still doubt yourself. Finally, you become truly skilled and understand there's always more to learn. The smartest people know how much they don't know.